Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Cocos. Today I have one bad news and one good news about Cocos to share with you. First, I'll share the bad news and then I'll show you what the good news is. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support my work at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link to join me there in the video's description, and you will find a lot more other ideas I'm sharing on the daily basis. Now let's move back to the chart, and here we were watching on the daily time frame. Price line was moving above this very strong, and it was a key support for the price line at $1.80. And you can see since after the price line crossed it up in November 2021, it was not able to break it down. We tested this support here, and we were also likely to test once more, but the price line finally broke it down and retested the previous support as a resistance and confirmed this breakdown, and now it is moving to the downside. Now, if I switch from here to the weekly time frame, then we can see that here we have a lot of support, other supports as well, like we have a rejection here, we have rejection here, and before that, before this rally, we can see that we had a lot of rejections and the price line has been rejected again and again. And if I place the trend line at the place where we have the most touch points, that we have approximately, you can see here at $1.10. So this area is really critical. But the good news is that let me place a trend line, then you can understand it better. Here we have an uptrend line resistance previously before this big rally. And here the price line also found a support as well. And this was a previous formation of the rising wedge pattern. Now the price line is likely to test the previous resistance of the rising wedge as a support after this rally. That is a very nice gesture for the next bullish reversal. And now if we take a look at the stochastic on the weekly time frame, then we can see that the stochastic has entered the oversold zone and it is forming lower than previous low. Here we had the previous low and then new low is lower than the previous one. But if we watch the price line, then it is forming higher low than previous low unless it is not moved down and it forms a lower low than previous low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence on this weekly time frame. So we can expect if the price line will be reversed, for example, if the price line will start the accumulation here, then we can have an idea that the price line is forming a hidden bullish divergence, is confirming this hidden bullish divergence, and it is going to form another higher low than previous low. So far, it is quite visible and obvious that it is going to form another higher low than previous low. And in that situation, we can expect a very powerful reversal from here. Now, the next target, as per this triangle, this rising wedge pattern, our target in case of reversal can be approximately here. If I place it here at the breakout point from where we broke it first time, then it can be approximately $3.11. I believe it can make a very powerful attempt to break it this previous all-time high, that is $6.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.